Wahl's Best Motor. Ultra Power No-Snag Motor allows for exceptional power and durability and glides through the thickest hair without snagging or pulling. 12 color-coded premium hair clipper guards. This premium kit comes with 12 color-coded secure snap clipper attachment guards that allows for multiple cutting lengths from 1/16 to 1 inch. Bonus combo trimmer. Included is a corded touch-up trimmer for light body and face trimming. 3 individual trimmer guards and a 6-position trimmer guide are included for beard trimming lengths from 1/16 to 1/2. XL Braided Power Cord. Our XL8 power cord is longer than standard power cables for extra mobility during usage. Cable is braided for increased durability and flexibility during use. Premium shears. This kit features a pair of our premium stainless steel barber shears that cut through thick hair with ease, a must-have in a hair clipping and beard trimming kit. Hair cutting combo accessories. The kit comes with 12 color-coded haircutting attachment guards, 4 trimming attachment guards, a guide comb storage case, drawstring storage pouch, 28 by 40 barber cape, styling comb, large cleaning brush, scissors with blade guard, blade oil, small cleaning brush, and large-handled storage case. Top reviews from the United States. Simple, easy to use, does what I wanted it for, namely, to keep my hair short. I have fine, thick hair and some previous clippers have struggled to clip neatly, and pulled my hair, not these. Cut cleanly without effort.